Delphi.
Well.
Yeah, it'll do audio. What do you have to say to the camera?
Welcome to the show.
We live? We live. Uh-oh. Okay. What should we talk about?
Why everyone that's trying to get into running should get past the month threshold.
The month. That's a good question.
Yeah.
Okay.
1 month of painful running where you don't really know what you're doing.
Is the month threshold like that getting into it kind of stage?
Yeah, it's like the breaking off all the grease and rust and stuff. You know.
Stage where you don't really understand why anybody does this.
Well, it's not fluid at that point, you know? So it's not actually really running. It's more like breaking down constantly. Until you get it right.
My favorite part about that is like when you're out on a run, it just doesn't feel natural.
Yeah.
Each leg is like independent of the other.
Do you feel like a month is all it takes to get past that threshold though?
I don't know. It depends on how
I'd say,
athletic or unathletic you are going into it. Are you like an A-type individual that won't know when to give your body a break? Or like the opposite side of the coin, like super sloth and won't know how to push it?
What are the defining features of kind of getting over the path, like over that threshold, that hump of like the entry level barrier before running becomes like really fulfilling or enjoyable, that like you should be aiming for? Like, don't give up until you've hit this checkpoint and then reconsider.
You should be able to go on a run with your friends and hold a conversation without feeling like you're gonna die.
And like carry a GoPro and run with it.
Yeah. No. Preferably on trails that are really nice and enjoyable.
Oh. Huh.
Maybe with like 3 or 4 other friends.
Those are some pretty good checkpoints.
Find yourself in nice weather where you can run without a shirt. Oh man, you are in.
Yeah.
You are in.
What if
I'll
you?
give a serious one though.
Okay.
I think those are all important. Friends are good, but I'd say you get to the point where you can run a few days in a row without feeling like that next day is gonna kill you. I think that's huge. Like, if you're able to run 6 out of 7 days of the week, you're past that threshold. You're like, I got this.
So if you're able to run 6 or 7 days or a week and go into the next week easily being able to say, I'm gonna run 6 out of 7 days of this next week, and I'm not gonna feel worse than I did last week.
Yeah.
In fact, I might feel better.
You're not holding onto a thread like, oh my god, the next run, like I'm just so I can't.
When the run stops feeling cumbersome and actually feels fluid, kind of like.
But how do you define those terms to somebody who has no experience running?
Hard.
That's fair. I would say that if you feel like it's choppy, or feel like you're putting on brakes, or some other combination where it doesn't feel like gliding, then it probably means you got some fine tuning to do before it really feels like running.
If I'm somebody who's running curious and run curious, and I'm considering taking your advice as getting through this threshold, what do I have waiting for me on the other side of this?
You have you can unlock a meditative state that is both pushing your body and easing the tension at the same time. It's a growth and relaxation.
A guilt-free beer.
Yeah, that too.
Okay, guilt-free beer.
Absolute guilt-free. In fact, you feel like you're entitled to it. Entitlement.
Would you liken that to what people or Runner's World magazine likes to talk about all the time as the runner's high?
It's different. I think there's different types of runner's high.
So wait, if that's not runner's high, then what is runner's high?